Business intelligence is all about turning raw, messy data into clear insights that help businesses make smarter decisions, and that's exactly where Power BI shines. In today's world, companies deal with massive amounts of data coming from Excel files, databases, PDFs, cloud platforms, and even real-time sources like sensors and social media. Tools like Tableau, Click, and Power BI exist to make sense of all that, but Power BI stands out because it can handle huge data sets that Excel simply can't open, while still being easy to use. With simple drag-and-drop features, built-in visuals, and seamless Excel integration, Power BI lets you analyze trends, spot patterns, and tell powerful data stories without needing advanced coding skills. Before we continue, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling Power BI or promoting Microsoft. This is purely to help you understand how the tool works, so you don't get misled. Power BI is a business analytics service by Microsoft that allows you to connect to multiple data sources, clean and model your data, and turn it into interactive reports and dashboards. Using Power BI Desktop, which is completely free, you can load data from Excel, CSV, SQL Server, web files, and more, then transform it using Power Query, create relationships and calculations using Power Pivot, and visualize everything using charts, maps, tables, and custom visuals. One of Power BI's biggest strengths is real-time analytics. When connected to services like Azure, it can stream live data and update dashboards instantly. Once your report is ready, you can publish it to the Power BI service, also known as Power BI Online, where dashboards are created by pinning visuals from different reports into a single canvas. These dashboards let you monitor KPIs, compare performance across products, countries, and segments, and even ask questions using natural language with the built-in Q&A feature. To see this in action, imagine working with a finance data set that includes sales, profit, units sold, products, countries, and time periods. Inside Power BI Desktop, you can instantly create matrices to show total sales and units sold, bar charts to compare yearly and monthly performance, pie and donut charts to break down sales and profit by segment, tables to rank products by revenue, maps to visualize sales by country, and tree maps to highlight top-performing products. You can drill down from year to quarter to month with a single click, apply themes to make reports visually appealing, and format everything to look presentation ready. Once published, these reports can be accessed anywhere, on desktop, web, or mobile, allowing decision makers to act fast using real data. If this helped you understand Power BI better, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more practical tutorials that turn complex tools into simple skills.